Ito guys ang aming food. Lunch at dinner na yan. Ayan, kakatapos ko lang magluto. So now it's time to eat. Meron kaming steam okra, grilled na belly. What do you call this one, B? Broccoli and cauliflower na may meatballs, steamed spinach, broccoli, yan ang cucumber tsaka saging. Kain na kami guys. Katatapos ko lang magluto. Come on.
Start video
Already.
Not yet.
Already.
Yeah, why you cannot see that only?
This one is nice. Steam and many vegetables.
You think you can finish it?
Lunch, dinner already eaten. Unless you eat that.
Really?
Yeah. Guys, ito na aftermath. Tapos na siya. Ako na lang. Yun baby namin, oh. Nandun. Natutulog. Kaya kami nakapagmukbang. See? Oh, ito na gayang aftermath. Aftermath. Kala niya hindi namin mauubos. Sobrang dami daw. Saan ka dyan? Sarap ng maraming gulay. Ayan na siya. Nakabantay na doon. Buti na lang tulog pa ang bata. Tadaan!